haven't done this before, I have as a kid, and now Luke and we'll probably all take turns putting in a ground rod. This is about 8 foot long, and the side we're putting in is pointed. Actually, both of them are. We're probably not going to have a lot of success like I did in East Texas because you're going to hit a rock. But the idea is to get this thing in to about that deep and then put a clamp to it. Obviously, I don't think we'll go that far before we hit. But what we're going to do first is keep doing this and then add water. You notice this?
We don't have water.
I got a lake of water.
We got buckets.
And I think there's water inside the fridge or right there on the floor. So just keep doing that, add a little water. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. I need a drill probably for the paddle bit.
Last time we filmed here, you were here.
Yeah?
Drill bit, the paddle bit.
Yeah, I need a drill hole up there.
2, 1.
Okay, so we started 8 foot high, drove it all the way down to here, put the clamp on it, which just screws together. You have to buy a special ground wire clamp. We ran the copper wire and put it underneath the ground wire connection on this panel. Be sure not to get into the power. It's just that simple. Remember, you're Americans, not Americans.